Hi guys, it's me again, Vanessa Tate, and today I'm going to join a client to a domain. First off, we need to configure our VMs and isolate it from the host. In doing so, we need to go to Devices, check our network adapters and make sure that they are both set to the same thing. Alright, for my server, the network adapter is an internal network, and I would like to keep it as that. Okay, now check on my client machine. And it's also set to internal network. So we will say OK. The next thing we need to do is check our firewall, make sure that it's off. Alright, my own has already been taken off, so I just wanted to show you. And for my server, it's already off, but I'll just confirm so. Okay, Windows Firewall. Windows Firewall is off. Okay, then let's get to joining the client. First thing we are going to do is go into my client machine and set a static address. Alright, I right click here on local area connection. I'm going to properties. Alright, and I'm going to select IP version 4 properties again. And here I'm going to tell them to use this address. And I'm going to use 192.168.1.3 because the other .1 and .2 has already been taken. One by the server, one by my visitor machine. The subnet mask was automatically inserted, and my default gateway will be that of the address of my server, which is 192.168.1.1. For the DNS, I will also use my preferred DNS server as 192.168.1.1. Okay. I'm going to close this. Okay. I'm now going to check to see if my machines are communicating. Okay, I'm going into, first I'll go to my client machine, sorry, my server. Why are you giving me so much trouble? Yes, I'm going to my server machine and I am going to ping my client and see if it's pinging. I'm going into command prompt. Sticking a bit. Okay. I'm going to ping the address of my client, which is 192.168.1.3. Enter. And as you see, we are communicating because I'm getting a reply from my client machine. So I'm going to do the same here on the client, where I'm going into, if I can find it, I'm going into I'm going into accessories, command prompt, and I'm going to ping my server machine 192.168.1.1. Enter, and we got a reply. So far, so good. Okay, now that our machines are communicating, we are going to actually join the client to the domain. So we are going to go into our control panel. I have already done so, and I'm going to system and security. Here I will go see name of this computer. At this point, you see our computer belongs to our work group, Nessa PC. I am going to change, this is your computer name and domain. I am going to change settings. I'm just going to give my computer some kind of description. So nice. Alright, and now I'm going to rename this computer or change its domain. So I'm going to change. Computer name, Nessa PC. And now I'm a member of a domain. And I'm going to put in my domain's name. Okay, now we belong to the domain chocolate.com. They are saying welcome to chocolate.com domain. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. Okay. I'm going to start my computer. In the meantime, I'm going to just pause. So as you can see, we have restarted and we are now belong to the domain chocolate.com. I'm going to my server machine. I'm going into server manager. I'm going to click on roles. Here we are going to check Active Directory domain services, Active Directory users on computers. I'm going into our domain. Here we are going to check to see what computers are in our domain. And here you see Nessa PC, which is my Windows 7 computer, and Rockstar PC, which is my Vista. You did not see when I joined that, but I did. Let us do a reverse lookup for these machines. I'm going into DNS server, as you can see. I'm clicking on my DNS server, and I'm going to do a reverse lookup. And here we have my server machine. I have my Vista machine, which is Rockstar PC, and here is my Windows 7, which I just did for you, with the address .1.3 Nessa PC, right, belonging to chocolate.com. Now thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to me once again. This video was brought to you courtesy Andrew Kadogan. Have a nice day.